Sedentary lifestyles among the general public becomes more and more common with each passing year. Thus, the demands for ergonomic chairs has skyrocketed. Now, I've tried many chairs over my career, but HBADA's E3 ergonomic office chair is one of the more interesting ones that I've tried, and here's why. It starts with a 3-zone elastic lumbar for precise support that features partitioned functions. The left and right floating wings rotate inward and outward by 40 degrees, which fully encloses users of all sizes. The central elastic traction system features a 14-degree dynamic support lumbar pad. This allows the lumbar pad to adapt to the spine, providing rigid support to prevent backaches. The HBADA E3 also features 4cm vertical and 2.5cm horizontal adjustments, so it can be precisely adjusted to the optimal support angle, safeguarding health during prolonged sitting sessions. Next, there's the 4D headrest for comprehensive pressure relief. This chair features a neck pillow that contours the human neck, with multi-directional support featuring a dual-axis 70-degree rotation. This assists alleviating neck pain and ensures a comfortable fit regardless of movement. And then there's the 6D mechanical armrest for panoramic support. The HBADA E3 ergonomic office chair boasts the highest armrest adjustment dimensions in the industry, supporting 6 types of free adjustments. That includes lift, forward and backward, left and right rotation, up and down folding, and 6-degree tilt linkage. And then there are the other features, namely the air microporous breathable mesh, which covers the entire chair. It improves comfort and pressure distribution of the E3 even during prolonged sitting sessions. The mesh significantly enhances air permeability, preventing sweating and overheating. It offers exceptional support, and it's used in a cushion, lumbar support, and backrest, providing high elasticity and pressure distribution throughout the entire chair. This ensures fatigue-free sitting even during a full workday. And lastly, one of my favorite things, the 140-degree recline design combined with the soft protein leather footrest offers an exceptionally comfortable solution for napping during breaks, securely supporting the user and safeguarding their sleep. But for me, I love pairing it with the Apple Vision Pro. It's like the ultimate setup for watching movies on Apple's spatial computer. So that is a hands-on look at the HBADA E3 ergonomic office chair. Special thanks to HBADA for sponsoring 9 to 5 Mac. Be sure to check the link down below in the description for more.